old. And my dad is from Iran, and my mom is from Taiwan. I wrote the book at 2020, so I had online classes, and that's how I got the idea to start writing this book. Okay, so it's about 4 friends go on like an adventure. In the story, they try to find the alien master, one of the aliens' names. So we just started with the coronavirus, so I just changed the coronavirus to the alien master, and us to like those. I like physics and chemistry, like Albert Einstein. So I like how smart he is, and also how his brain is like the same with other people, but it's like weird. Just to make like a machine related to magnets and stuff.
Hi there, I'm Joyce. Taroko Express train crash, TRA reform and safety improvements, Lin Zhiling and AstraZeneca vaccine. Here is our top 5 this week. At number 1, train drivers across Taiwan sounded their horns for 30 seconds starting at 9:28 a.m. on Thursday in tribute to the drivers who died in the Taroko Express train crash 1 week ago. Passengers listened in silence to the sound of the horns as trains passed by. Many expressed their sadness at hearing the long whistle sound. They thanked the 2 drivers for their work until the last moment. They also expressed hope that the dead will now rest in peace while the families could start to heal. At number 2, President Tsai Ing-wen promised on Wednesday to reform the Taiwan Railways Administration in response to the fatal Taroko Express train crash. Emphasizing that everyone in Taiwan deserves a safe way home, the president proposed 3 major improvements, namely the company's financial situation, its structure, and operation culture. The president also pledged to strengthen the horizontal integration of the state-owned companies' departments. She further expressed hope to improve management efficiency and communication by addressing problems across administrative regions. At number 3, Premier Su Zhen-chang also vowed to keep a close eye on the TRA. Speaking at the press conference on Thursday, the Premier led all cabinet members to observe a moment of silence. He then apologized to the victims, their families, and the injured on behalf of the government. The Premier further promised to quickly implement reforms. To this end, Su stressed that he needs the support of the legislative yuan as well as all sectors of society. At number 4, Taiwanese top model Lin Zhiling announced earlier this week that she donated 4 million NT dollars to the victims of the recent train wreck. The 46-year-old model donated funds in her own name over the weekend. She thanked the rescue workers and medical staff for their hard work and called on people of all walks of life to pray for the victims. She further expressed hope to continue to use love to strengthen ties in the community. At number 5, the CCC announced that more than 18,000 AstraZeneca vaccines have been administered as of Tuesday. A follow-up evaluation report by the Food and Drug Administration, however, shows that another person suffered from a severe allergic reaction to the vaccine. This was the second case since Taiwan started its vaccination campaign. The CCC announced that those who experienced an adverse reaction have all been discharged from the hospital. Authorities reminded the public that reactions are usually mild. That was our top 5 this week. Check out our website and Facebook for more. We'll see you guys next week with 5 more news stories you need to know.